Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you glam look tutorial. But before we start, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click bell icon. Now start with eye makeup. Here I am using Wet n Wild concealer to conceal my eyes. Friends, all product names are mentioned in description box which I have used here. After concealing my eyes, I'll go with Makeup Revolution Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Here I am going with Brown Family. Means I am starting with light, then medium, and after that dark brown. Guys all have their own techniques, but I always start with light shade. One more thing that we should always remember, always put the color below crease line and blend properly. Here I dab the color on outer corner and blend properly from inner to outer. Harsh lines should not be visible. Now I am using darkest brown. Now I create a crease line from inner corner to mid of the eye. Now I am using golden pigment from Revolution eyeshadow palette. Then I am using white matte color in inner corner. I am using Maybelline gel eyeliner. Before start my base application, I am using Indulgio Rose Gold Essential Oil. This is very effective for dry skin. I am using orange corrector from LA Girl. Now I am using Forever 52 Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation and shade number is FLF014. Again I am using Wet n Wild concealer, shade is light or medium beige on highlighter zone area. For baking my under eye area, I am using Makeup Revolution Banana Translution Powder. Now it's turn to contour my face. For contouring, I am using Eye Magic Contour Palette. For blush, I am using Deborah Milano Intense Peach. For glow, I am using Forever 52 Professional Highlighter Palette. For brows, I am using Wet n Wild Intense Brow Kit. For lower waterline of my eye, I am using white eyeliner from PAC. My lip liner is from Kiko Milano and shade is 531. And lipstick is from Forever 52 matte crayon. I am using Color Essence mascara. Eyelashes is from Euro Paris Professional. Guys, if you like my tutorial, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. And now my look is ready. Thanks for watching.